Fellow South Africans, it is now the time for the president to address the nation. Let us first get all the necessary precautions out of the way. President, afternoon, Nyamazane Stadium, President. President, I guess I'd say President. Kruger 1, Komora 1, President. President, khuluma President. Kwenzakalani President? Cangacangene namuhla siveze South Africa President. Khuluma President.
Yes my brother, kuhlangahlangene esiveni sami kunzima. Sise kaNyamazane Stadium, it's 1-1 i-final score. Kruger and what we call Komora. It's 1-1 score. Score lesinzima kulo Kruger. Because Kruger it was playing home. Kruger mina ngihlale ngisho as the president of fans. Ngihlale ngisho ukuthi if a team is playing home, it must make sure ukuthi it collect the maximum points. We don't want that minimum point. We want maximum point. When you're playing at home, you collect onke lama points. And Kruger first half bengekho game. Angathi noma beyicabanga ukuthi ise Kruger National Park or what. Angathi betshela ukuthi they are touring. We are not here for touring here.
President.
As Dala, we are here to get points.
President.
To win the game and get maximum points. 1 point, we are not happy.
Not sufficient.
As Mpumalanga people, because Kruger yala Mpumalanga, sibantu bala Mpumalanga thina. I-team yethu, they were supposed to get that maximum points.
President.
Ili Komora. Idlale kahle Komora.
Abafana.
Baqhamuke ba ready. IKomora iqhamuke I ready ukuthi siya eMpumalanga kunekwenta singabuyi lapha. That is why number 17 wabo uscore igoli early. Wabakhombisa ukuthi mina I'm here to fight.
President.
But nabo iKruger ngibona ukuthi second half babuyile nabo. Babona ukuthi okay sise game lana siyadliwa funa sibuye back egamini.
President.
Then kwabe sekuba nema red card.
Makatla bovu,
makatla layi-2, net lama card layi-2 akasebenzi to advantage ye Kruger.
Akulimatile President.
Lama card layi-2 bawatholile the Komora bewathole early, maybe it was going to be advantage ye Kruger. Ukuthi ikhona push up because already bebesashota ngemidlali. Nale in technical stuff or what. Logo already iKruger iKomora kuyidistepile ikhathi lelibovu liyadistep normal khathi lelibovu lingafiki kuma players lingafika maybe ku coach or somewhere idistep igame plan vele iyadistepeka so lifike late likhathi but 1-1 it's a first score. Team yase iKomora ihamba na 1 point. Nathi iKruger sihamba na 1 point. Kudlalekile kube mnanzi. Yes.
President bafana namuhla uphumile lana uyasho President ukuthi hayi nanoma kuhle mara uchokotile kwekugcina President. President khala kwakho kuhamba kufike kuphi President njengayo umnikati lo hambela tebhola la eMpumalanga lana President. President mayibukile igame namuhla iqembu leKruger ngophi la kumele lilungise khona President kuze ngisho ukuthi iqembu lala mina ngiyanitshela ngithi njenga President wenu lungisani lana President ngoba siyabona na coach Vusmuzi hambile mara asikatshelwa lutho President khuluma nami President.
iKruger lengibukako ngathi iyona iyadlala ibhola idlalela thina eMpumalanga but thina asikho well informed ukuthi what is happening lapha behind the scenes. Sesibona nje usokwendekile even nema fans it's like they are boycotting ama games. Lamuhla I was sitting there ngilalelile inkulumo tema fans ma fans akakhulumi kahle ngeKruger but I love for iKruger. So iKruger ayilungise kuleyo department ukuthi I tell everyone laba isupporta ukuthi okay thina we want to make this change. Abasitshele sonke sathi simpumalanga because this is our team. Yes, and nema fans ngifuna kwakhutha as the president of fans. My president of fans my fans Kruger. They were swearing here. They were swearing their coach. Imagine swearing your coach. Telling your coach what to do.
President.
You are disturbing the coach. You must let the coach to do what he want to do. You mustn't swear the coach. I mean, as the president of fans, I'm against that. I don't want it.
Stop it.
They must stop it with
Stop
immediate
it.
effect.
Yeah,
it must come
President.
to an end. When we are here, you are here to uplift the spirit of the players. You must make sure that you sing, you celebrate you uplift the players. You must make sure that my players adlala kahle are right.
Yeah.
Protect your players, protect your coach. This is our philosophy. Protect your players, protect your coach.
Yeah.
Yes, my brother.
President namuhla ngiyasethi indzaweni letiningi nje ngiva minister ngalamva kwami lesekudla lana
Deputy.
ngiva deputy minister la honorable member
Minister Makakula.
Minister Makakula
Uthini minister ukhala ngami
minister lana uma sesingekho ngala phambi kwecamera uyangitshela uthi uvamise kuba nalenye la idlako wena president uma wena ungekho namhla ngiyamceba unokuvuma athi adle emnyama namuhla president kwenzakalani president president ngibone minister Mackenzie lapha naye azuba lapho bathi cishe kwa stadium lena president khuluma na president Makepulu yakhala ngalana bathi akahamba kahle esigodini
esigodini akahambi kahle mina mayidlala le game because bengiyifollow lapha because bengilana ngibukela iGomora neKruger live leya just bengi-streama because ngisethe intweni I stream
president
yeah ngisethe intweni mina
press
mangibuka lapha ngibona iPirates ikora 1-0
yeah president
bengitshela singeyibuyi but ibuyile yakora 3 goals mayikora 3 goals vele mina bese ngicelebrate ukuthi iPirates iyahamba iPirates iyaqhubeka neAfrica but ifike yashaya kuma penalty and my penalty
yeah
it's a lot mara sonke we must understand it's a lot siyayisorisa iPirates idlalile iphushile yona siyayisorisa iPirates
yeah
yes next time asembe ukuthi iChiefs itozama ngale ku conference
yeah
ikufuna izama iChiefs no already Pirates iphumile ngale ku CAF Serena Sundowns Minister Sithole yes the suspended one minister yeah iSundowns yakhe iseta kahle
yeah
lokunye ngifuna ukusho nyalo it's the minister Sithole akakwathi lo
yeah
his suspension has been lifted with immediate effect as from now
minister 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 siyabonga president akaphindi phela gange
you can take your post minister
thank you president thank you very much president ngiyajabula kakhulu ukuthi ngibuyele esikhundleni sami amen
but you must know that I'm still your president
you must go right
I don't want your corruption mina I'm straight I don't do manga business I'm straight
yes kakhulu sisima minister ngekuphindze kwendeka siyabuyela futhi esikhundleni sethu
yes Minister Makakula as from now on angithi wena you were acting now you return to your post you are a deputy yes take your post minister
thank you president ngiyangena
amen
supporters Sundowns kusasa iyadlala siya leader 5-1 sayishayile team yase Nigeria 5-1 away from home then sidlala home tomorrow as supporting Sundowns iqhubeke CAF Champions League sayithatha le CAF this year.
Yes. Before Sivala.
Yeah, president.
Minister sekhuluma president.
Yeah, minister bavula yini? Minister Sithole. Honorable Sithole. Yeah.
Order. Yes.
Order.
Okay, lokunye lokukhona it's tomorrow 26. Yadlala iTS Galaxy.
Yeah.
Khalin Black Label. Idlala Kingswell Stadium.
Badlala
Golden Arrows. Badlala namanqeba amncidi.
bafana baphuthu.
Ngithi mina nyalo tomorrow siyabashaya 2-0. Mr. Mnithi, I'm sorry to say this. Uyashaya kusasa.
Ngive Mnithi athi yena akahanje abathini ayizi Galaxy lapha lizophaka uphuthu.
Akunaphuthu lapha.
Lizoba sikuphaka uphuthu iGalaxy
yazidlala liphutha iphuthu liqeda umshibo liphuthu. Yabo ungafaka liphuthu bese ufaka umshibo. Uyaphela umshibo. Thina siyawina phasi dlala liphuthu labazidlali nalo thina. Liphuthu thina straight lipapa. Bathini stiff pap.
Yeah.
Sifuna stiff pap.
Right pap.
Bafana ba right ba ready for tomorrow's game. Tomorrow's game we are winning the game. Thank you, my brother.
President sesivala Wednesday nema-queens akhe ayadlala president ungawakhohlwa njani?
They are here. My queens, they are here. My queens amadlala Wednesday adlala in my copper belt. Copper belt or copper something. Ngapha Stadium, but it's Wednesday.
Yeah.
Ngafisa inhlanhla my queens army because nyalo it's like lo number 2 sesiyambanga nyalo. Sesiyambanga mara we must make sure ukuthi we win all our games.
Yeah.
Ukuze si retain our number 2 because number 1 ngesafika vele ngiyabona noma ngathi ngithatha i-calculator ngizamile ngithathe onke ama-calculator abo scientific calculator what calculator
President.
even ne-phone ngizamile ngithi ngiyabala lapha number 1
Minister Sithole ngathi yaphakama minister.
President kubeka kube president ukuthi kunani number 1.
Kuna-Sundowns minister
Minister
unani minister
Honorable Sithole angimati Honorable Sithole.
honorable member order honorable member wena ngabe celebrate la ilo ukuthi ngiku-reinstate to your position nyalo solwa nami nyalo yeah good luck to the queens kaBhokweni but unfortunately I won't be there. Yes. The president won't be there. He will be attending a special meeting.
Yeah, President.
I'm flying to Cape Town. I'm attending a special meeting with my colleagues there.
Yeah, President.
I'm having the what we call our different presidents from different countries. We are having a special meeting there, but it's for them. It's for everyone. That meeting it will benefit everyone.
Yeah, President.
That's why I'm always saying that I'm busy. The president is busy.
President.
I'm not busy for myself. I'm busy for the nation.
President, never busy la. There's something ringing in my face. The bees, man. Never man. Get right, man. Busy. Never man. Kwendakale athlone president. Hoy man, president. Kwendakaleni.
They say Cape Town.
Coach Humphrey.
They say Cape Town, but angikho sure ngescore, but ngigcina i-leader nga-1-0. Oh, it's 2-1.
Badliwe. Akhambanga wrong. Akhambanga right.
Akhambanga kahle but asembe ukuthi mababuya la khaya batolungisa amaphutha. Because I can't allow them to fly to Cape Town and lose.
Yeah.
Next time they will take a bus. Because they're wasting taxpayers' money.
Yeah, President.
I can't allow this situation.
You can't.
Now I gave them everything, luxury, everything.
Yeah,
they were
President.
flying. They were there. First class.
But this is genuine.
First class. First class flight. They were there. Next time they will lose a pass, but they must convince me by winning their second game. Should they win their coming game, I will forgive them.
Yeah.
I'm a president. I'm a forgiving president. I forgive you. If I see that you are making a mistake, I look at you ukuthi
President Lelvelo.
ukuthi le mistake vele beyifanele ukuthi bekhona yini ngwenza imistake nje just ungakhutile la uphinze minister Sithole ngimkhutile uyayadi ubuya khona angaphinza ngomtosha
Yeah.
yo asidlala ngomtosha. Thank you my brother.
Asivaleni nayo President ukhulumile. Fanatics, do the right thing, subscribe, ring the notification bell, like this video madoda, share your thoughts into the comment section. Ivale lethu nazo ke.